Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tax bracket planning using NerdWallet, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for NerdWallet's website and hit enter. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type tax bracket planning into the search bar and press enter. Look through the search results for the relevant article or tool related to tax bracket planning. Click on the link to access the tax bracket planning page. Read through the introduction to understand the purpose of tax bracket planning. Scroll down to find the interactive tax bracket calculator. Enter your estimated income for the year in the designated field. Include any additional income sources, such as investment or freelance earnings. Next, input your filing status, selecting from options like single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Once your income and filing status are entered, review the details provided by the calculator. Pay attention to the suggested tax bracket and the implications for your overall tax liability. Consider any deductions or credits you plan to claim, which may affect your tax situation. Use the tool to explore how different income levels might affect your tax bracket. Adjust your income figures in the calculator to see potential outcomes. Take notes on how changes in income will impact your tax liability as you analyze the results. After you've gathered your information, review the strategies suggested. Look for tips on how to maximize deductions and minimize taxes owed. Make a plan based on the insights gained from the calculator. Consider consulting a tax professional for personalized advice based on your findings. Finally, save or bookmark the NerdWallet page for future reference, as tax planning can be an ongoing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.